In Microsoft Outlook, you can prevent plugins from loading at Outlook Startup if you would like. But if you're having problems with plugins crashing or freezing Outlook, you can follow these steps in this video tutorial to troubleshoot the problem. Now you can fix it by trying to opening the Outlook application in safe mode. Do that by closing your Microsoft Outlook. Then relaunch your Microsoft Outlook by holding down the Control key on your keyboard. Then click on the Outlook application. Now in the pop-up window, confirm the action by selecting Yes. Alternatively, you can also search Run in the Windows search field. Type in the following in the field. Then press Enter. The Microsoft Outlook will then start without the plugins loaded. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.